Hello students, welcome you all here. So today we are going to discuss about the chapter how do organisms reproduce. Okay, this chapter is in your term 2 examination. Okay, this is the chapter about reproduction. Okay, how do organisms reproduce. Okay, in it we will discuss about reproduction, its types. Okay, and reproduction in flowers, or you can say reproduction in plants, and reproduction in animals, or in animals will we will discuss about human being, reproduction in human being. Okay, so this is the summary of the chapter, what we are going to study in this chapter. So we will start with the simple point. What is reproduction? Okay, so reproduction is the process by which living things multiply and increase in number. Okay, so if a living thing is multiplying, or you can say is producing new offsprings, okay, it means it is reproducing. Okay, reproduction is occurring with this living being. Okay, this can be of different type. Okay, if the same one individual is going to reproduce in two or multiple organisms, it could be called as asexual. If two partners are taking part in reproduction, it could be known as sexual. Further, we will study about that. Okay. Firstly, let's uh, let's discuss about the important points of reproduction. Okay. So reproduction is the process by which living things get multiplied. Okay, and increase in number. Okay, so what happened in reproduction? What is the main process of reproduction? So the main process of reproduction is copying DNA. So basically what happened in reproduction, the copying of DNA occurs. Okay, so a DNA from parents to come to the offspring. Okay, so the child can get the same DNA or the DNA matched with their parents. Okay, so what is DNA? It is the hereditary material which transfers from parent to offspring. Okay, because of DNA, offspring shows similarity with their parents. So, okay, so in this diagram, I'm just showing you. So how a simple bud which is forming from the parent, okay, can grow in the bigger or young ones, okay, and this can form a new young ones when it will be attached from their parent. Okay, so the second point is, what are the types of reproduction? Okay, how many types organisms can reproduce? So basically, there are two methods or two types by which organisms generally reproduce. These are asexual reproduction and sexual reproduction. Okay, so what is asexual reproduction? In simple way, we can say asexual reproduction is a type of reproduction in which no sex cells are produced. Okay, no sex cells are produced. Okay, and the more important thing is that in it only one individual, okay, only male, or you can say only one parent, okay, not male or female, only one parent can produce or the new offspring. Okay, so one parent can give to the formation of daughter cells. Okay, here is the example of yeast. In it I have given example of yeast. Okay, what is happening here? Only one parent is forming a bird, and this bird will firstly this bird will grow in large, and after that it will detach from the parent and will work as new offspring. Okay, a new you can say it will work as new child. Okay, so this is reproduction, and in it only one parent is involved. Okay, only one parent is involved to form a new offspring. So this type of reproduction is known as asexual reproduction. Okay, it involves only one organism. A single organism reproduce here in two or multiple organisms. Okay, it mainly occurs in unicellular organisms, some multicellular, and in few plants. Okay, and in asexual types of reproduction, generally, sorry, asexual type of reproductions are of many types. Okay, there are many types of asexual reproduction, which we will further study. Okay, come on sexual reproduction. What is sexual reproduction? So sexual reproduction is a type of reproduction in which two individuals, okay, always two individuals take part. One should be male and the second one should be female, okay. So two individuals, male and female, should take part in this type of reproduction, okay. And the second more important thing is that in a sexual type of reproduction, sex cells, or you can say gametes, are produced, that are produced from their corresponding male or female parent, okay. So this female will form egg, okay, which is a gamete, okay. This is female gamete, and this male will form sperm, which is male gamete. And these gametes will fuse, or you can say with fuse each other, okay, and form a zygote, a structure that is 2n in number. I will explain further what is n and 2n number, okay, which form a cell, or you can say a structure that is known as zygote, okay. And this zygote is formed from with the help of male and female gametes, okay. So this zygote, after some development, it will become embryo, and this embryo will lead to new young ones, okay. And this type of reproduction in which gametes are formed and two individuals are taking part will be known as sexual reproduction. Sexual type of reproduction occurs in plants as well as animals both, okay. And basically it occurs in higher animal and higher plants, okay.